This is your investment update for September 2016. Another really quiet month overall for the investment markets, although there was a little bit more volatility this month than we saw in August. The S&P ended up basically flat. It was up 2 basis points, and bond market was down 6 basis points, so 0.06%. So really not a lot going on. International markets, the international stock market was up about 65 basis points, and the international bond market was up 55 basis points. So a little bit better overseas than it is here. Just in general, everything's kind of quiet. The Fed did not raise rates in September when they made their announcement. There were a couple dissenters there. I still think we could probably look towards December as another time where they could do that. That seems to be the consensus. And really, everything's kind of gearing up towards the election season, which probably promises some fireworks in both the markets and on television. So we'll all be watching that. The one area of worry in the markets right now is Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bank is a bank in Europe that stock 2 years ago, middle 14, had gotten close to $50 a share, and it's 13 currently. They've had a lot of trouble. They lost a big suit to the Justice Department over mortgage lending that could cripple them if they have to pay the whole thing and they can't settle for less than that. And it's starting to look a little bit like what happened to our banking system in 09, or 08 and 09, where you have a lot of questions in the news media over there about their ability to raise capital, their ability to survive stress tests and do a lot of these things. And that's probably the one area of worry in the world right now that could cause some volatility if that were to flare up. Deutsche Bank's a huge bank. They're the #1 lender to Germany. So it's a situation we're going to write about in our letter this month in more detail, but that's something we got an eye on. If that, things were to get real tenuous over there, that's something that could cause some worry in the markets. Other than that, going into election season, it's still pretty quiet, and we'll just keep chugging along.